All right, today we're going to be talking about proportion and shape. So we're going to start with our standard. Our standard is either proportion, circle, and rectangle into two, three, or four equal shares. Intention. I will learn how to proportion shapes into half or fourths. Your success criteria. I can cut shapes into parts. I can draw lines in a shape to show equal parts. And we also have some vocabulary words for this lesson. Your first vocabulary word is proportion. That means to split something into smaller, equal parts. You have another vocabulary word, which is one half. That means one of two equal parts of a whole. You also have halves. The parts formed when a whole is divided into two equal parts. One third. One of three equal parts of a whole or third. The parts formed when a whole is divided into three equal parts. One fourth. One of four equal parts of a whole, and we also have fourths, which is the parts formed when a whole is divided into four equal parts. So as we're going through this lesson, we're going to be referring back to our learning intention, our success criteria, and our vocabulary words. So I'm going to ask you a question. Have you ever had to share a snack with a friend, like a cookie or a piece of fruit? Raise your hand if you ever had to share a snack with a friend. Okay. How did you make sure you both got a fair share? Pieces. How did you split it? Into one equal part, but it's already a whole. So if you have a cookie and this is your whole, how did you split it to make sure you each had equal parts? You made it two equal parts. Okay, anyone else? Have you ever shared a snack with a friend, Dylan? I had I had cut it. So did you cut it into two equal parts, three equal parts, or four equal parts? Three equal parts. Okay. So I'm going to show you how we can proportion shapes into equal parts. So let's imagine that this is a cookie that I want to share with my friend. I'm going to cut the cookie into half. So before I cut the cookie, I had a hole. All right, so what is this? A hole. This is one whole cookie. Now, how many pieces do I have? How many pieces do I have? I have two equal pieces, so now I have a half of a cookie. All right. Now let's say I wanted to share a sandwich with my friend. So this is the circle. This is the shape of a square. I want to share this square with my friend, and I want to divide it into four equal pieces. So let's see how I can divide this square into four equal pieces. I started out with a whole square, but before we get into four equal pieces, how many do I have? I have two equal parts, which is equivalent to what? A half. All right. Now I have cut my sandwich into four equal pieces. If I have four equal pieces, what would this be called? Four. Now I have four equal pieces, so this is a fourth of the sandwich. Now what if I have a rectangle and I share this is a candy bar. Imagine that this is a candy bar that I'm sharing with my friend. And I want to share this as thirds. We started with a whole. Now we're going to divide it into three equal pieces. So I started out with a whole candy bar, but I had to share some with my friend. Now my candy bar is now three equal parts. So what would that be? Half. Half is two equal parts. This is a third of the candy bar. so remember, we're going to be learning how to proportion a shape into halves, thirds, or fourths. In order to do that, we're going to have to be able to cut our shape into equal parts and draw lines in the shape to show equal parts. All right, now you're going to practice partitioning your shape. What does partition mean? To cut something into equal parts. So some of you have a circle, some of you have a square, and some of you have a rectangle. I want you to practice partitioning those shapes into equal parts, whether it's thirds, fourths, or a half. Yes. All right, you can start partitioning your shape using your scissors. Yes. Hey, Chaz, what did you just cut your shape into? Half. Good job. Hey, Dylan, what did you cut your shape into? Halves. Halves. Is there another way you can partition that other than halves? Fourths. Fourths. I want you to practice cutting it. Now, how many equal parts do you have? I have four equal parts, also called fourths. Fourths. Good job. All right, now that we have practiced partitioning shape into halves, thirds, and fourths, we're going to practice solving a fun problem. Are you ready? All right. So, Eli Mom throws a pizza party for his birthday. His mother invites 10 people to the party. They ordered three pizzas so far. So, how many people did Eli Mom invite to the party? Three. 10. And how many pizzas did she order? She ordered three pizzas. You're gonna have to figure out how can you cut each pizza to make sure each person receives at least one slice of pizza. So how many people did we have at the party? 10. And she ordered how many pizzas? Three. And how many slices does each person get? One. Only get one slice. So you have three pizzas on your paper. You have a square, a circle, and a rectangle. You're going to practice how you can proportion these shapes, partition these shapes, so that either they're cut into half, third, fourth to make sure each person receives one slice of pizza. After you finish with your problem, I want you to explain how you decided to cut the pizza. Make sure that you label your slices either halves, thirds, or fourths after you cut. Any questions? Okay. Okay, you can begin. You can get started. You're using your pencil. We have 10 people at the party, and you only have three pizzas, so you have to think about how you can proportion each so that you will have a slice for each person. Remember, each person must receive at least one slice. You have 10 people at the party. Hey, could you label your partitions for me? Could you cover them? Say halves, fourths, of third. Remember, you have 10 people at the party. So how many slices are 10? Because each person must receive one slice of pizza. Okay, so far, how many slices? 10. Okay, so let's look at this girl. When you put portion of shape, do they have to be equal parts or equal? Yes, you must cut the shape into equal pieces. Are all of these pieces the same size? Okay, so is there another way that you can proportion this shape?